For the ultra-wealthy, travel is about control, privacy, and freedom. Private jets and luxury yachts represent the height of luxury travel. Each offers unique experiences tailored to individual preferences. These luxury options come at a significant financial cost. Private jets emphasize speed, reducing travel time significantly. They enable rapid transit across continents in just hours. Airports serve as quick stepping stones, facilitating efficient journeys. Schedules are tailored to the owner's needs, enhancing flexibility. This prioritization of speed and adaptability redefines travel efficiency. A luxury yacht offers a unique travel experience, slowing down the pace of life. The journey itself becomes the main focus, rather than just reaching a destination quickly. Days on board blend seamlessly into sunsets, creating a relaxed atmosphere. Destinations are discovered at a leisurely pace, allowing for deeper exploration. The emphasis shifts from speed and efficiency to being present and enjoying the moment. This approach transforms travel into an immersive and mindful experience. Private jet interiors optimize luxury vertically within limited space. Every inch is carefully designed for maximum comfort. Plush seating enhances the travel experience. Refined lighting and noise control create a serene environment. Luxury yachts offer multi-deck designs for horizontal living on the water. They feature open-air lounges, providing expansive ocean views. Yachts include ocean view bedrooms for a unique living experience. Some yachts have private beaches that unfold for exclusive access. Luxury is measured by experiences, not just the number of seats. Private jets offer enhanced privacy by isolating passengers. This isolation shields them from public crowds and cameras. However, private jets still depend on airport facilities. They also require airspace permissions for flight operations. Private jets must adhere to fixed routes, linking them to global infrastructure. Yachts offer complete removal from terrestrial infrastructure. At sea, one is free from terminals and public announcements. The yacht transforms into a self-contained private world. It can be anchored wherever the owner desires. This grants a unique opportunity for total isolation and privacy. Private jet service offers a high-end, personalized travel experience. Pilots and flight attendants provide exceptional service for a limited time. The focus is on delivering a seamless and comfortable flight. This ensures passengers enjoy a perfect, albeit brief, travel experience. Yachts offer constant, personalized service. A full crew lives aboard, ensuring 24/7 support. Crew includes chefs, engineers, stewards, and deck officers. The crew personalizes every detail to adapt to preferences. A private jet is primarily an asset designed for transportation purposes. It is characterized by frequent use to maximize its value. Precise maintenance is essential for ensuring operational reliability. Efficiency optimization is key to cost-effective operation. Owning a yacht is more than a purchase. It represents a distinct lifestyle. It requires full-time management to handle the yacht's operational needs. Seasonal planning is essential for navigation and optimal usage. Constant maintenance is necessary to preserve the yacht's condition. The yacht shapes the owner's life, not just serving a schedule. Jets are known for their high fuel consumption rates. This high fuel consumption contributes significantly to operational expenses. Crew salaries also represent a substantial cost component. Hangar fees for storage and maintenance add to the financial burden. Maintenance and flight hour costs further increase operational expenses. Yachts have significant operating costs beyond just fuel consumption. These costs include crew salaries and dockage fees. Refits, insurance, and logistical support also contribute to expenses. Annual operating expenses can reach 10–15% of the yacht's value. Wealthy individuals often utilize both private jets and luxury yachts. Jets provide rapid transportation, ideal for time-sensitive travel needs. Yachts offer a sense of freedom and escape from everyday life. Jets can quickly transport individuals to their yachts. The yacht then serves as a private retreat away from external pressures. A private jet symbolizes power and control over time. It enables rapid and efficient movement across geographical locations. Private jets allow for optimized and flexible scheduling. The use of a private jet conveys a need for ubiquitous presence. It communicates the message, "I need to be everywhere, efficiently." A yacht symbolizes control over space and the freedom to explore. It represents an escape from routine and a unique lifestyle. Owning a yacht conveys a sense of independence and self-sufficiency. It communicates the message of not needing to be tied to any specific place. The yacht emphasizes the importance of presence and enjoying the moment.